So going back to my sweater that I cut the back out for another project, I am now going to the sleeves. And I'm going to start by cutting the sleeves and pulling them inside out. Now I have these little rubber bands. You can get them right at the dollar store. They're in the hair section. They're very small. And I grabbed 2. And I tied the larger opening and then turned the sleeve right side out. Now taking some polyfill, I'm filling up the bottom of the sleeve, and I kind of want to put more in than I think I may need. And then I'm going to cut the sleeve about 1 inch to 2 inches above the polyfill. I'm going to close this end, and I'm going to take 2 more small rubber bands and tie the top. Now taking some jute, I'm going to start by going around the top and making a tie, and then bringing the jute down to the base of it on either side and tightening it and giving it a tie. Now I'm going to go back up on the opposite sides and tie it at the top, giving it a little pull. And then I'm going to tie this off at the top and cut my jute. So now you have your ball of filled sweater, and it's in 4 sections. So now I'm going to tie another piece of jute around the top, and I'm going to bring it down and up between the jute, and then go down and up again between the jute. Guys, I really hope I'm making sense. I'm making a pumpkin, and I'm basically putting it into 8 parts using the jute. And now the remainder, I am twisting around the top portion of the sweater at the top. And this is creating a stem. And then I'm putting in some slip knots before I cut that jute as well. And then you can just kind of fiddle around and, have it, all your parts spaced out the way you want. This is scatter fillers. You can get these at Hobby Lobby in the fall section. And I had them for another project. And inside they had these gold sparkly leaves that were the perfect size. And I put them in either side at the top of my pumpkin. And then I took this raffia bow with the button and glued it at the top. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can also watch our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. And thank you so much for watching. For any paint products, tissue paper, or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com.